Hi, this is Larry Cardell with AVI. I'm going to give you a quick tip on some tools. Keep in mind that as a technician, as a working technician, your tools earn you money. They're an investment. So when we look at tools, look at quality tools. Good quality meter will serve you well. This one's not expensive, but it does everything that I need it to do at home when I work on cars at my house. For professional use, this is the meter that I've had for over 30 years. I promise you, it's made me so much more money than I ever spent on it. It's not even funny. And it is a little bit older. It's only category 3 at 600 volts. So for newer applications, if you're going to work on hybrid and electric vehicles, you're probably going to want something that is category 3 at 1000 volts, because some of the vehicles now are actually running 600, 800, 900 volts. So you'll probably want to look at something that's category 3 at 1000 volts. There are a lot of good companies that make meters. Make sure that they are rated at least category 3 at the voltage that you're going to be operating in, or preferably category 4 at 600 volts is a very good rating also. And be absolutely sure for automotive applications that your meter has a minimum of 10 megohms internal impedance. The reason for that is when we're working on automotive circuits, we're working on computer circuits or electronic circuits. When we hook a meter across a load, we actually create a parallel circuit, and we want the meter to be as invisible to the circuit as possible while we're reading it. The wrong meter could easily let the smoke out of a computer. This has been Larry Cardell with AVI. Thank you for watching.